Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of power, performance, and pure automotive passion. If you love bold machines, futuristic tech, and vehicles that dominate the road, Channel V8X is where horsepower meets vision. Today, we're bringing you something truly next level. This is the 2026 GMC Hummer EV, an all-electric beast that proves the future can still be brutal, bold, and unapologetically powerful. Let's start with the front view. From the very first glance, the Hummer EV looks unstoppable. The wide stance, aggressive grille, and signature LED lighting give it a commanding presence. This front angle screams confidence, power, and American engineering at its finest. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Move to the side view, and the story gets even better. The massive off-road tires, muscular body lines, and long, solid profile show exactly why the Hummer EV is built for dominance. Whether it's city streets or rough terrain, this angle highlights strength, balance, and pure electric muscle. Now check out the rear view. Bold LED taillights, a wide stance, and rugged detailing give the Hummer EV a powerful exit look. From behind, it feels planted, aggressive, and ready to conquer anything in its path. Step inside, and the dashboard view completely changes the mood. The interior is futuristic, premium, and loaded with technology. Digital displays, advanced controls, and luxury materials make the cabin feel like a command center. GMC has perfectly blended off-road toughness with modern electric innovation. From above, the drone shot reveals the Hummer EV's true scale. This angle shows how massive, wide, and confident this vehicle really is. On open roads or rugged landscapes, it looks like a king moving through its territory. On the move, the highway shot captures pure energy. Silent yet powerful acceleration, smooth handling, and instant electric torque make the Hummer EV feel unstoppable. This is where performance meets future technology. And finally, the night shot. With glowing LED lights, reflections on the white body, and a dark cinematic atmosphere, the Hummer EV looks absolutely unreal. At night, it transforms into a futuristic electric monster. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV comes with a starting price around $95,000 to $110,000, depending on the trim and options. Yes, it's premium, but for this level of power, technology, and presence, it's worth every dollar. And before we wrap up, remember this. Channel V8X is all about bringing you the most powerful, exciting, and future-ready vehicles on the planet. If you love content like this, make sure you stay connected with Channel V8X, where